Now this is the Baltimore, Boston and Maine North Station Drawbridge, was built in 1835. Now these are four of you may you may not can't see the other ones, but you got three of them, and it's a double intersection woven dead truss, and it's similar to the one in Somersville, Massachusetts, and is replaced in 1931 by a rolling lip bridge. Now this is a replacement, right? So replaced in 1931, and it crosses over the Charles River in Boston, Massachusetts. And I'm gonna show you the actual bridge. It's got four of them, and now you see you got four of them right there, right? Yep. So, and and I'm gonna show you the bridge that replaced these bridges in 1931. Stay with me. Now these are the rolling lip bridges that this bridge is done that replaced in 1931. Built by Keller and Harrington. It's a Baltimore through truss built in 1931. Two bridges removed. And at a later date, I'm gonna show you. And used by the Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority North Station leads, and so I'm gonna show you the bridges that are raised for us, the actual bridge, and then I'm gonna show you my drawings that there's only two in the other bridges. Now you see, it's raised. It's raised, right? And so, yeah. At one time they had four of them, right? Yeah, you see the one that was lowered for my drawing, and now the actual bridge is raised. Now let me show you some. Now it's only two left, right? Still in service. Yeah. Two of them. Yeah. See. Trains going over this bridge. Two of them. Now two of them was raising for boats and ships, right? Boom. Look at that. Yeah, it's only two now because the two of them was removed. Boom. Up close view. One, two. Yeah. Now there you go. Now this bridge crosses the Charles River in Boston, Massachusetts. It's still in service. Yeah, it's a rolling lip bridge. Now the bridge I just showed you was replaced with these bridges. It was four of them, and now 2 of them left. It's still in service.